What up, people? Sorry I haven't recorded for long, and today we're playing something new, something that has been popular like since last week, I think. Even last week or this week, I don't know. And it's Escape Tsunami with brain rots. Yeah, I know. I don't know why this game became popular. It just is. Can I steal? Oh, you can't steal in this game, so it's good. Anyways, I think how the game works is you travel that side, you get some more brain rots. But dang, these waves are fast. But as you go along, you get more Okay, I got I'm gonna get that PPQ. PPQ. Fish. Okay, so I'm taking this PPQE. I'm gonna take it to my plot. I got a PPQE now, and then you place it right over here. I think you can place it anywhere you want. And now it's making me $13 per second. I might level the saving now. So here's the thing. I'm trying to see why is this game so popular, okay? It's because 5-year-olds are here. I'm sorry people, whoever's 5-year-olds. Sometimes you just gotta bring it up then. Oh, okay, oh, there's a guy who wants to give me a 6-7. Ah, thanks. I think that's one of my friends, but anyway, so hey, it makes $90 per sec. Nice, collect all my money. But I think what can we do is we can go here to this plot, go to speed upgrades. We can buy some speed. I can buy 10 speed. How fast am I? Oh, I'm very fast. You don't see, yeah, you might not see it, but I am pretty fast. Let's go. So go.
Okay, so you can.
Oh yeah, yeah. The more further you go, the better predator you get. Oh shoot! And yeah, there's like fast waves coming by. So I'm taking this. No, go! No, but then, man. But anyways, I mean, it's all right so far. Okay, the carry upgrades. Dang, 5,000, 500,000. Yeah, that's a lot. Oh, I'm gonna pause and let my mother join. People. Yeah, bring my mother up. Hello, mother. She's also playing. Yo, she barely survived, yo. But anyways, I'm gonna fix me. So I see how the game works. I mean, it's kind of cool, to be honest. Okay, yes, let's get some brain lots, I guess. Oh shit. Okay, not yet. Okay, let's go. Let's see. Very expensive ones. This one. Wait, hold up. Make sure I get it. So there's a one that is like 1k per second. Take this brain lot. Look at me. Oh, running fast with this thing. Damn. Okay. So so yeah, it's the. I mean, it's alright of a game, I guess. Just because it's brain lot doesn't mean it's bad. I mean, but they are copying like other games like that. 6-7 brain lot thingy, which to be honest, kind of worse, if I can say that. Okay. So this yo. Okay, let's go. Go down. Okay. Oh shoot! Ow! Okay, but anyways, Get my money, man. Make my speed more. Mommy, you must correct your speed, man.
I did. But I only got $70. Let me see. Oh yeah, I got 1,000.
Emerald cappuccino. Oh, nice. Oh, octopus. Why am I taking that out? Wait, did that thing just spawn in my face? Okay. Ooh, Yara. Okay. I'm by the legendary side now. I mean, this one is alright of a game. Oh, this is one with 2k, this one is with 2k, yo.
Oh shit, don't go up, bitch. Let's just take this one.
Mama, bring one with, that makes 2k per second at level 1.
Hello. Hi,
Salam.
Welcome.
But anyways, it's alright to give a game. I would rate this out of 10, I rated,
Oh, I'm cleaning my freezer.
just, let me upgrade my stuff.
I don't know, Mikhail was keeping it for God knows what.
And hopefully, if you want me to play this game, just just like and subscribe.
If
you want me to play other games, then sure, I'll try.
Op die RCS.
Yeah, these people are making a lot of money. Damn. Anyways, collect all my money. I got 1 million. Anyways,
I'm busy installing Adobe.
I'll be back
because I can't open my module.
Hey guys, I'm back and I mean I'm trying to get the fastest one from here, but I think it's this thing is too fast to be like. Dang, I'm dead again. Serious. Anyways, hopefully you enjoy the game. Just enjoy it, man. I see these guys. I mean, you can steal, but it's not like I mean, however, it is copying like a similar game to it. I know, one. I can rebirth. Okay, let me rebirth. Oh man, I'm back to the start.
Zainab, I just found her now, but she told me before that. She told me they bought them the trays.
Yeah.
Let
me get my upgrades.
Speaker. So I came with 2 mics and whatever.
Back to my speed and even faster. Yeah, so you know, this game was alright. Okay. If I was gonna rank this game, I would rank it a 6 out of 10. Okay, just a little bit good I expected. Okay. But anyways, yeah. Let's see. Oh shoot! Jesus! Down. Well, I died. Well,
I saw she had cordless mic.
I'm gonna. Let's go. Oh, dang
it.
Anyways, I'm gonna collect all my money and yeah, that's been fun. This game is alright. Just so hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video.